Today's event is not only a showcase of skill and teamwork, but more importantly, a strong reminder of our shared responsibility to uphold safety in all the projects and properties we manage. Behind every drill, every response, and every safety procedure is a commitment to protect life, safeguard property, and ensure the well-being of the buildings we serve.
You made sure that you work as a team. Pero mas importante, natuto rin kayo nung makipagtulungan sa isa't isa, no? Yung teamwork, yung team skill building nyo, no? Ito ang pinaka-importante sa emergency response, no? You know how to move. Alam nyo gumalaw as a team. So kaya ang first responders, very important, especially sa ating tungkulin na mag-protect ng lives and properties na minamanage natin.
Win or lose, what matters most is the experience, the camaraderie, and the shared mission of keeping our community safe. May this event inspire us all to continue improving our skills, deepening our knowledge, and strengthening our commitment to implementing the Fire Code of the Philippines.
25 years of sustaining this fire brigade competition is not a small accomplishment. It reflects commitment, discipline, and a serious understanding of public safety. This competition is not simply about trophies, uniforms, or recognition. This is about readiness. This is about leadership under pressure, coordination during confusion, and the discipline during emergencies. Prepared people save lives. That is why I commend Century Properties Management, the organizers, and all the participating teams for investing preparedness instead of complacency. Because when emergency happens, people do not look for excuses. They look for leadership. They look for responders. They look for people who know exactly what to do.
As head of safety and security of Century Properties Management Inc., I now declare this competition